Good morning, kids. Today we are going to study about letter M. This is a letter M, and we are going to study about this. Are you ready? Great. Before we begin, let us know first the sound of the letter M. Okay. Let us sing.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
One more time.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
Very good. That is the sound of the letter M. Mmm. Okay, so we have moon. Moon. This is a moon. Have you seen a moon? Great. We can see a moon up in the sky during night time. Next, M. Monkey. Monkey. This is a monkey. The monkey loves to eat banana. Have you seen a monkey? Yes, they are in the zoo. Next, map. Map. This is a map. This is a map of a place. Letter M. What is the sound of letter M again? M. M. Moon, moon. Monkey, monkey. Map, map. Very good. Now, draw a line. Match the picture to the words. Moon, map, monkey. Moon, map, monkey. Now, children, can you tell me where is the moon? Where is the moon? Correct. Great job. Next, can you tell me where is the map? Where is the map? Can you point your finger? Very good. That is a map. Next, can you tell me where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? Great job. So that is the monkey. Very good, kids. Now, let us read one more time. Moon, map, monkey. And this is letter M. Have a great day. See you again next time. Bye.